Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to export a earthwork plan with a drawing template as a PDF using eSurvey CADD. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the complete process to generate a high-quality PDF output of your earthwork drawing. Let's get started. First, create a drawing template. Open your CAD package and design a template with the required dimensions. Next, open the Print Preview screen in eSurvey CADD. This is where you will configure and visualize how your earthwork plan will appear before exporting as PDF. Now, select the drawing template you created earlier. Once the template is selected, configure the layout settings. Set the X shift and Y shift to define the margins of the earthwork drawing from the base point. Adjust the scale so the entire drawing fits within the selected page size. Define the starting page number for the PDF. The page count is automatically calculated, but you can modify it if needed. After setting all parameters, click Apply. You can repeat this step multiple times until you are satisfied with the output. Next, click on Print PDF to open the PDF settings window. In the PDF settings, configure the following options. Choose the page orientation, either portrait or landscape. Set the scale, either on scale or fit to sheet. Define the page margins as required. Select the appropriate paper size. Optionally, choose the CTB file to control how colors are mapped to line weights and print styles. Click Preview to review the output. If everything looks correct, proceed to click Save PDF. If not, adjust the settings and preview again. Finally, once you click Save PDF, the program will generate the PDF file and automatically open it in your system's default PDF viewer. That's it. You have successfully exported your earthwork plan as a PDF using a drawing template in eSurvey CADD. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449-599709. Thank you for watching this video.